The most important part of the software is the materials, gives you life to your object. So in a tab, we have a material. You can type any material that you want to search it, but you have all material category here. Color lens, glass, light, liquid, measured, metal, miscellaneous, paints, paper, plastic, stone, wood, everything that you want, you need are here. So first going to a simple basic model. Yeah, something like that. Drag and drop it here. Okay, this is our model. Going to the material, and we are going to next tab in this part, material scene. Scene material. The material that you assign in your scene appear here. First thing first, you see here is a floor. It's a floor material. Don't change anything in a floor material. Just I will show you how to create a reflection to your floor. First, you are going to the material and type gold. For example, I need the gold and search it. Yeah, it's here. And drag and drop it. This is our gold, okay? And if you insert the gold, drag and drop on your model, you can see in a scene material, the gold material appear here. The floor is exactly like other material, but don't change them because it continuity and smoothie of the floor will be appear and annoying. Just for a floor, changing reflection if you want. Don't change anything here. Just coming to a specular. A specular is about reflection. These reflections and the lights. These are the specular you can see here. Turn on a specular, and now you can see the reflection on the floor. It's nice. And then you can change the shadow, everything after that. But here. And Scholar is you can add a number. Complex is very more complex, but or you can measure data, you can assign IOR, but you can see it's not good in this case. Just Scholar. And if you want to more reflection at the floor, you can see, turn it on or off. But if you want to more rough, just go in here and change the roughness. You can see more blur. That's it. Just change to reflection index number and the roughness to control the reflection of the floor. That's it. Going to the gold, and we are want to talking all about these materials here. Okay, so you can delete your material. You can see if you have no material, you cannot see good reflection at the. So just this is an floor. Do not change anything except the reflection. So when you click this plus, you can insert on title an empty material, and you can create a material from scratch. I will be show you some settings here, but you don't need to make all them change because we have lots of material here and you can use them, and after that you can change it, but I'll show you here. First thing first, you can double click and set it number 1 material. Here is a preview. Don't forget to click and drag material on the object to see in this part. Main parameter is a double-sided. Double-sided, if you click main properties, I will show you now. Going to the layer, first thing is a mask. Mask is for cutting the object. If you click in here, you can from this window bring black and white image. The black part is cutting and the white part are maintained. So import your image, click on that, and for example, we bring this black and white code here. Okay, and you can see it will cut the black. You can invert it if you want. So the black part are cut and the white part will be maintained. You can invert it from here. You can, the brightness mapping, in this case, it's not important. You can make it repeat, you can make it mirror. I will show you more. In this case, it's not important. And it's okay. And you can see, you cannot see back of this model. You can, it cause double-sided problem because it's a small thin sheet. So you can go to properties and here you can fix this issue. You can see, now you can see other back side of your model from here. You can see. And export material, if even unsaved, if you want, you can export it. Going to the layer again, so this is a mask. You can define how power of this mask will be. You can turn it off from now. Another thing is a bump or normal map for fake 3D objects. Going here, import your bump texture. These are bumps. Bumps are black and white. For example, something like that. Again, click it and increase the number of the bump. Now you can see the fake 3D texture on your object. These are bumps. You can, if you want to more depths, you can increase the number of parallel mapping. You can see it has more depths on it. Nice. Another thing is normal map. You can delete that with that. Select again. These are normal maps. But you have to define it as a normal map. And now we have a normal map here. You can see it's not real 3D, it's a fake. With changing the camera and the lighting, you can increase or decrease the number of the normal map. Nice. You can see the normals. Okay, you can turn it off. The parallel mapping, just turn it off with the bump map. So the bump map is a black and white and gray codes. The black part going down, the white part going up, and the gray are in between, and create a fake 3D for you. The diffuse is main color of that. So here you can change the color of your 3D object. And here is that you define your texture here. You can assign any texture on your object. Let's talk about this. So you can change in this brightness of your texture directly here, contrast of that, gamma, the mapping of that. You can change the offset for 5. You can see, and say the offset of your, you can repeat your texture 10 times. 10 times, you can see. And then you can rotate your texture in a direction. You can wrap it in X and Y repeat. You can make it clamp. Clamp, it means just create one. In this case, that's not good. The mirror it in both directions. You can see it's mirroring the texture. And you can cropping, scaling your texture any direction that you want. So you can work on the texture if you want. And you can come again here and hit this to delete your texture. So I just want to explain it one time, and you don't need to change them all. Just use this preset of material and then change it here. Another thing is opacity. If you want to create some glass things, you can see that. Emission is emitting light, the object that you can see it's emitting the light from. You can change the color of that, and you can give a texture. which part do you want to emit, which part you don't want to. For example, we assign a black and white code again here. You can see we can assign the texture with the diffuse color here. Intensity of the emission. Nice. And turn it off. Specular is all about the reflection. So you can see it has a reflection here. You can increase the number of reflection by scalar number. You can assign the reflection color. You can see this is a reflection color here. And you can assign which part are reflective or not with black and white code. Again, you can see this part black are not reflective and the other part are reflective. And they are very complex settings, reflection level if you want. You can, interesting part of that is this. Don't annoying yourself with this complex setting like this. Just select preset material and changing and see what happening on your scene. Anisotropy is for metal thing that we show you here now. I think I can show you. Yeah, this is anisotropy. You can, if you want to create such these things, but it's very hard in here. So you have to use preset and then change it here. And here is the roughness. You can see, look at here. The roughness is important. It make the reflection blurry. So the roughness. And the thin film interface is for creating a thin film, bubbles, something like that. Another important thing is the IOR. From here, you can measure data, and from this part, you have to insert IOR file. IOR is this for creating the glass. If you make higher number of the IOR, you have more reflectance. The light is breaking and creates such as water and glass. Any object in the world like glass, water, oil, diamond, anything has a different IOR, and you can mimic that with this file. Okay, but don't bother yourself with minus to delete the material. So you can use this material here. First is the color lens. You can drag and drop it, and you can see the settings are the same, and you can explore it, and you can see these are simple reflective material, and it has thin film. Turn on. You can see it's automatically created for you, and you can change the number. You can see the reflection are different. It's making transmission for you. Everything is ready for you, and you can change it. From here, you can go to the glass, blurry, reflection, rough. You can see they're preparing everything for you. Nice. You can see these are simple glass, and you can see the settings are changing, and you can set it here. Something like that. You can see the behind that. Rough, simple, light. You can emit your image with light. And you can see in this case, emission is turned on and the settings. You can see, just use that and change. Liquid. If you turn it on, you can see in the liquid, there are, I think it's better to bring a new model. I think in the sphere in this case is better to see material. Liquid, for example, white wine. You can see if you set it on the glass, you can see that. In this case, you can see they change it, something like that. And in the liquid, we have simple, reflective, nice. The measured metal, for example, gold, copper, chrome. Now you can see in this case, they are give a IOR file that control index of reflection. IOR and create it. So you can go to the metal, aluminum, anything that you want. You can assign it. Oh, you can see the anisotropy in this part is turned on. And it make it for you, and it gives a texture. You can see, I think, in which part? No, it's with, they are changing with settings. So interesting. So we have lots of analyze aluminum, brushed, clean, rough. Anything that you want, you can set it here. Brass, chrome, nice. So we have lots of sitting here that are just change the settings that I explained it before for you. Just insert them and change the settings and see what happened for here. And a lot of things. Wow. Oh, they're interesting. Nice. Thin film, I think. Yeah, it's a thin film interface. Paints for the cars. Matte, rough, glass. Now we can see. Paper. Nice. Plastic things. Lots of plastic. Print effect. Oh, you can see they are texture and they are insert texture for you. Stone. We have lots of stone. You can see. And a diffuse, they are importing the stone texture here. So you learn it how to import your, if you want to import your own texture, go into the diffuse. The wood, nice. You can assign your model. So we have lots of material here, and you learn how to change the settings. It's very simple setting. And you can see any object, any material that you imported here is in a scene material here. So this is a simple material of the koru.